recording. Okay, so I took my phone into this abandoned factory. It's the year 2023 right now, in case anyone's wondering. And, this factory was abandoned in like 1980, which is weird. There's no reason for it. And look, there's no dust. It was like abandoned yesterday. You can't tell me this guy's been sitting here for 40 years. Anyways, let's go. Let's check out what's in here. Boy, it is dark in here, though. Oh, no. What am I dealing with now? A VHS player? I'll go see what that guy was up to. Hey! You do know this is trespassing. A tape. Hey. Oh, he's got a knife. He's gonna kill me. Oh, okay, let's hold this door closed. Oh, God. Well, as soon as this guy leaves, I'm gonna play that VHS. Okay, I think it's safe now. All right, there it goes, but it's malfunctioning? What? Ah!
Happy, 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 funny, 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 lucky, 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 happy, 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 happy.